Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the live and reels notifications on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click on your profile and then go to these three lines and then go to the notifications, and here we have this live and reels section, so click on it. Here we have the original audio section. You can turn this off or on. The remixes, also the same thing, off or on, whatever you want. The live videos, the recently uploaded reels, the most watched reels. Here if you want to add viewers, the prompt responses, and reels made for you. So that's it. That's how to manage this section. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.